We're here with head coach of Tivoli Gardens. First of all, congrats on the point. Speak to us about your team's performance and how you're feeling after today's game.
I think we could do better today with the goals that we'll get a chance and we did not score, but it was a fair result for us because the two teams play well, so we just need to come again and try to do it right.
Alright, so you guys would have gotten a point from Portmore United, who have been having an outstanding season to this point. Can Tivoli Gardens build on this point that you guys would have gotten today?
Yeah, I think we're playing well, we're just not scoring. If you watch the games that you see we play, we always dominate the games, have more ball possession, but as we said, we're just not scoring the goals.
Alright, your captain on the day, Pennycook, had an outstanding game. He was given the man of the match. What do you, his coach, think about his performance?
For me, to be honest, I never worry about Pennycook playing because he's always a leader on the team. He just did not talk, he just doesn't talk much, but once he's on the pitch, he's always going to give us 100%.
Alright, and from today's point, what do you think you guys can improve and how do you think you guys will be going forward?
I think the work rate, we need more work rate, we need goals, we need to score goals. That's where we're short of. So, as I say, just go to training again and just try to get it right.
Question, aside from the game, today Tivoli guys will have played against a Jamaican legend, Rudolph. What do you think his presence in the JPL means for the competition?
He's one of the legends, as they say, in Jamaica. And for me, I used to play with him, so it's a pleasure to watch him now play while I'm coaching, so it's good to see.
Alright, once again, coach, congrats on the job, good luck going forward.
Respect. Yeah.